The checkout should be completed prior to a shift ending, but it doesn't mean you have to wait till the end. You can instruct your salespeople to come see you as soon as they're done with their follow-up, because the quicker they do their tasks, the sooner they can be doing other things like taking ups. In order to start a checkout, you need to once again click on the $ icon to the left of your screen. Click to expand the arrow and select Checkout. If you have multiple sales teams, you can filter them by clicking the middle drop-down menu. Once your sales team is sorted, click on a salesperson's name to open his or her checkout report. During the checkout, you're looking for a 0 in this column. This means that all tasks were completed. If you notice that a salesperson still has tasks to complete, this is where you close your door to your office and explain to him or her the importance of completing these tasks on time, because they will grow exponentially and become overwhelming for the salesperson and customer alike. Hopefully your words of wisdom are well received, and you don't have to keep babysitting the same individual in the future. When I was a sales manager, I wouldn't let a salesperson go home until all tasks were completed, and I urge you to be just as tough, because this is the make it or break it moment for the CRM. The moment you allow your salespeople to decide if and when tasks should be completed is the same moment where you might want to reconsider having a CRM altogether. This type of check and balance activity ensures that your staff follows your store's processes and gives you a unique insight into what's happening on the sales floor. So let me show you how easy it is to complete the checkout. Start by closing this window to be taken back to the checkout screen, and click on the checkmark icon to transform the orange into a green. Do this for everyone on shift, and your end result should look something like this. As the month progresses, you will see an actual count of how many red, orange, and green checkouts exist for every member of your sales team. Speaking of red, you would only choose this color if the salesperson did not complete his or her daily tasks and hope that there was a really good reason for it.